Good morning, Ram fam, and welcome to this week's edition of the Saturday Spark, where I hopefully can give you a little training inspiration for your Saturday morning meeting. I gotta lower this. It is hot this morning. All right, team, we have 2 weekends to go, and customers have been in and out of our showrooms for the last 3 weeks. Did we sell them all? No, but that's why we're here, because we're gonna get them back. Watch this. Many of us have been laser focused on a few clusters of activity in our showroom, but we also have to be working equally on the outbounds, and that's what we've been working on all month long. Here's the reality. The hottest prospect to buy a car from your store today is the customer that left your showroom and didn't buy. There's huge opportunity to properly follow up with them and get them back in. Many salespeople do not follow up with unsold showrooms, and those who do rarely have an effective game plan or strategy. That's a big leak. We need to fix it. We need to fix this leak now. Stop blinding believing your sales staff when they say they called and can't get the customer back. Let's start inspecting what we expect and help them navigate to get that customer back. Often our sales teams don't have the confidence because they feel they left it all on the table when the customer was in the showroom, and they don't know what to say next. So in order to get that be-back bus rolling, we need to quickly diagnose a client's current objection and overcome it to get them back into the showroom that second time. Managers, you're key to this. You will gotta get involved in this process. Many of your salespeople tell you that clients leave because they're out of time or because they have to talk to their spouse. I call full shenanigans on this. The reality is that's only true 3% of the time. That's right, 3%. Your salespeople have to be equipped to properly handle these situations and understand the real objection. Once your customer leaves the store, you lose the advantage, and you need to take it back by following up the right way. The difference between making deals and missing deals is knowing what to say. That's what Alan taught us. So how do you get your salespeople good at this? They need to be trained. I mean, really trained. In order for training to be effective, they got to educate, simulate, and you need to hold them accountable, because without it, they won't be set up for success. Take yesterday's guest sheets into your morning meeting this morning. Get that sheet, role play with your team. Let's get them started and focus on it all week until they get this down. Unsold showroom, until they know how to control the call. Connect the dots to get the real objection. Keep the client off the defensive. Properly outline the benefits of doing business with your dealership and overcome objections to get this customer back into your showroom. You're missing opportunities to do business. Your team needs to be convincing and confident. Prepare to have that one more thing right on the top tip of their tongue. That's what's going to help sell more cars between now and the close. Listen, we lay out all the objections, easy peasy, easy to read, and how to overcome them, page 64 to 76 out of the Adapt VT manual. If you don't have one, give me a call. Let me get you some, all right? Get out there today, crush it, and I can't wait to see you next week.